Good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to day 4 of the field travel spree aboard the MSC Seascape on the Melanin at Sea 2.0 group cruise. Now, we have finally made land again, and we are in the beautiful Ocho, Rios, Jamaica. Now, we are headed to Margaritaville for a private, exclusive Melanin at Sea group event. Make sure you stay tuned because it's going to be a fun day here in Ocho, Rios. All right, so we have finally made it to Margaritaville. We're here now. We're getting in line for some food because they got all-you-can-eat buffet ready for us, and it's time to eat. So one thing about Melanin at Sea, they will take good care of you. This is our reserved section. All of this right here behind the rope is reserved for exclusively Melanin at Sea members. So this is the line where we're getting something to eat. You see people already got their plates and stuff right now. And so we haven't ate breakfast, so definitely got to get something to eat.
Hi, I was saying hi to DJ, but he didn't want to talk to me. It's nice to meet you.
So there was a cash bar included in this experience. The only thing that was free was juice for the kids. And then you got my man's back there queuing up some of the best jerk chicken that we've ever had. You see, PJ's got his plate ready, but when I tell y'all that this chicken was so good, we end up coming back for seconds because we had never tasted any jerk chicken like this. Now, to complement that chicken, they did have some rice and peas, some fish. They did have some curry goat, which we actually tried, and surprisingly, it was pretty good. Y'all, we had a real good time out here in Jamaica. We were right off the water, nice views of the ships. There's plenty of activities for the kids to do, or adults, even if you wanted to get in the water and jump around. You see us listening to music, vibing to the DJ, just out here having a good old-fashioned time. And if y'all have been paying attention to the vlogs, y'all know my boy loves to play in the sand, loves to make sandcastles. So he was showing off his sandcastle, and I guess he got his car parked in the driveway of the sandcastle right there. Alright, so at this point of the party, they started playing some throwback old school jams. And if you know Dee, you know that she is an old soul. So here she is singing Before I Let You Go by Frankie Beverly and Maze, just out here just having a good time in her own little world. She's so much in her own world, I don't even think she realizes that she's holding PJ at this point. Now, is it really a party if there's no line dancing involved? You know, us group of melanated folks, when we get together, we've got to play some kind of line dancing music. So that's my girl out there, Miss Jaretha. Hey, Miss Parker, out there getting it. And if you know me, You know I'm not gonna sit my tail down nowhere. I had to get out there and dance on the girl one time and hit that electric slide.
I look a mess.
No, you do not. But if you look a mess, that means we had a wonderful time there, right?
Great time.
Wonderful time in Jamaica.
Singing our hearts out.
Right, Cachet, first time in Jamaica. How was it?
Si, senor. It was good. Bueno.
All right. A wonderful time. Most of this videos, or most of our time at Jamaica is probably going to be a montage because they were playing music. We had our own private DJ. So it's probably going to be a montage because we don't want to get copyrighted. But right now we are headed back to the ship. We got to shower up and get ready for this evening's festivities. We're back on board. We're clean, fresh,
Smelling good.
It's time to eat. So we're getting ready to go to the dining room. And as you can see, we do got some floral attire on because tonight is tropical night. So you know we're going to take you to the tropical party and let you see what else we got in store for tonight's adventures. I'm gonna get the Creole seafood and chicken gumbo. For the entree, can I get 2 entrees? Or just one?
If 2, it will be just $5.
Oh, 2 is a $5 charge? Okay. Let's do it. Let's do the New York strip.
Medium or done?
Medium. And then for dessert, can I get the... We're still going with Grandma's chocolate cake.
I think I'm gonna do the Guadalupe style shrimp. Yeah. The shrimp and grits. And rum cake. You have patty? You have patty? What's the matter? And the rum cake.
Rum cake?
But instead of the coconut ice cream, can I get vanilla ice cream?
Okay.
All right, so we're wrapping up dinner and we've eaten all that we're going to eat for today. And so we actually, while we're sitting here eating, we actually booked an excursion for tomorrow. Because tomorrow we make port in Georgetown, Grand Cayman. And if you really know Grand Cayman, there isn't a whole lot to do. Like MSC just put out excursions today, the day before we get to Grand Cayman. And it was funny because like the other ports, they had excursions available, but for some reason, nothing was listed for Grand Cayman. So I guess they kind of came up with something at the last minute. But the excursion we booked, not gonna tell you what it is, you're gonna have to wait for the next vlog. Says it starts at 7:45, but we don't make port until 8 o'clock. So we're gonna go to the excursions desk because technically we don't even know if they're gonna deliver tickets to our room, if we need to go pick up tickets from the excursion desk. Like, there was no instructions. So we're gonna stop by there after we leave here, and then we're getting ready for tonight's show. What's going on? Okay. So we went to the excursion desk and we did pick up the tickets there just because, like I said, we weren't sure if MSC was going to deliver the tickets to our room or not with them uploading the excursion so last minute. So we took care of that. Now, because tomorrow we'll be in Grand Cayman, that is a tendered port, meaning that the ship does not dock at a pier. So they have us meeting here in the theater, and they assigned us a group number. So we'll come to the theater at 7:45. They'll give us.
We gotta get up early.
You gotta get up early. they'll dismiss us by our group number, and then they will assign us a tender so that we can make our excursion on time. So tonight's show here in the theater, it's a production called Young at Heart, and it's a show, I think it's based around what, romantic hits or something like that. So
I'm just here so I don't get fined.
but depending on how the show goes, we may have to put the kids out of the room for a little bit.
To do what?
Don't play dumb.
To do what?
They say in heaven, love comes first. We'll make heaven a place on earth.
So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me.
Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody.
Love is all that I can give to you. Love is more than just a game for two.
This will be what I've waited for. This will be the first time anyone has loved me. Oh,
Ain't no mountain high enough, ain't no valley low enough, ain't no river wide enough to keep me from you. In love, need you by my side, girl, would be my bride.
will never be denied.
Everlasting love.
Good morning.
It's not the morning.
What is it? It's not morning yet, but it's almost morning.
It is.
So he wants me to wrap up, right? Let's see. Let me channel my inner field. All right, y'all. So
Don't do that. Don't do that. Do not be like that.
So we done had a jam-packed day.
Why you playing me
Started off
though?
this
Why you playing me
morning.
though?
Going to Margaritaville, you saw everything that we did there, with a little montage that we created for that, and then
Stop playing me.
that ain't how you do it.
No, you fake. You fake.
Then we got back on the ship, y'all. I don't know why he just won't let me be great, okay?
Because she playing me.
I'm really not.
So
But-
do I need to go ahead and end it up? Do I need to go ahead and wrap it up?
You don't wrap it up? I wasn't doing it the right way?
No.
How come?
Y'all, we're gonna go ahead and close it tonight, man. We had a long jam-packed day. We just left the tropical party. Tropical party was actually pretty fun. It wasn't a lot of people.
Whoa. Did I not just sound like that?
No, you didn't.
So we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up, y'all. We done had a jam-packed day. We actually just left the tropical party and it wasn't pretty bad. You know, they had all of the music going. You saw me dancing, you saw D dancing. We was just catching the feels, catching the vibes, catching the music, you know. Oh, I said me and then I said D him. You saw Phil dancing, you saw D dancing. And you just saw us doing our thing and enjoying the music and getting the shots for you guys, you know. So the kids are upstairs asleep. Yeah, we're on 7 upstairs sleep. And you know, we got an early day tomorrow. We can't tell you what the excursion is just quite yet, but stay tuned into that next video so you can see what the excursion is all about. We're gonna take you with us, y'all.
No.
Y'all comment down below and tell me if I hit it on the head with how Phil be vlogging. I did it right?
No.
Anywho.
They probably gonna tell you don't do this no more.
Also tell me if you would not like for me to do this again, okay?
Okay, you know, they mean. People's mean now.
I mean, I don't have to do this. I love the way he does it. He does it very well. That's why I'm channeling my inner Phil.
That's why you never see it with the camera, really.
Huh? That's why what?
Alright, you guys, you made it to this point of the video. Make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We got another port tomorrow in Georgetown, Grand Cayman. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you are notified when that next video drops.
Until then, time.
Good night.
Don't forget to like, comment,
already
and
said
subscribe.
That.
Oh.
Good night.
Good night.
Man, you won't believe the mess we found on our door. Make sure you stay tuned so you can see exactly what happened.